Impact Affiliate Network Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Impact and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Now let's dive straight into the review. Impact is a powerful affiliate marketing platform designed for businesses, agencies, and individual affiliates looking for advanced solutions to manage partnerships. It's known for offering an all-in-one performance marketing solution with a focus on flexibility and scalability. Unlike traditional networks, Impact allows affiliates and brands to build tailored partnerships with customizable commission structures, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned marketers who want more control over their campaigns. Features. One of Impact's standout features is its customizable tracking and reporting. It provides deep insights into every aspect of your affiliate campaigns, from clicks to conversions, helping you optimize your strategies in real time. The platform also supports multiple commission models, including CPA, cost per action, CPL, cost per lead, and revenue share. For those with larger operations, Impact offers advanced features like automated payouts, detailed fraud detection, and a robust API for seamless integrations with other marketing tools. Another highlight is the ability to manage not just affiliate partnerships, but also influencers and strategic partners, all from the same platform. Strengths. The primary strength of Impact lies in its flexibility. You can set up custom commission structures, track multiple types of partnerships, and integrate with other tools for an optimized affiliate marketing operation. Its user-friendly interface and detailed reporting make it easy to manage campaigns and track performance. Moreover, the platform's fraud detection capabilities help ensure that the data you're working with is accurate, reducing the risk of false leads or clicks. Impact also provides access to a large selection of high-quality offers, including exclusive deals from well-known brands. Weaknesses. While Impact offers a lot of power, it can be overwhelming for beginners. The platform's advanced features may take time to fully understand, especially for those new to affiliate marketing. Additionally, Impact's focus on custom solutions means it may not offer as many ready-to-promote offers as traditional affiliate networks like ShareASale or CJ Affiliate. It also has a higher barrier to entry, and its fees might not make it as accessible to smaller affiliates or businesses just starting out. Final verdict. Impact is a robust affiliate network, ideal for businesses and experienced affiliates who need advanced tracking, flexible commission models, and the ability to scale. While it's not the best choice for beginners due to its complexity, its customizability and comprehensive features make it a strong contender for those looking to optimize and grow their affiliate programs. If you have the experience and need a powerful platform, Impact is definitely worth considering. Check the links in the description to get started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth affiliate network reviews.